Hello guys. How are you guys? In this video you will see how to replace the RMU inside the room. This is very difficult to remove the old RMU and install the new RMU. Also, you can see how the technicians are working in this video to adjust the big RMU inside the room. And this video you will see how to remove the old RMU. Here is the very easy steps to remove or replace the new RMU. Good technicians can install the new RMU in just 4 hours. And this is very informative video for the electrical department, for the electrical engineer, for the electrical workers. This video is very helpful for other people. In this video, you will see the heavy voltage terminations. Sometimes loose terminations cause heat up the whole system and become danger to blast. This is a medium voltage electrical switchgear, likely a ring main unit, RMU. It is a factory assembled, metal enclosed system used in power distribution networks to provide control, protection, and isolation of electrical equipment.